Are you looking for the best car GPS navigators? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best car GPS navigators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garmin DriveSmart 66. None of the GPS navigators I tested and researched nailed the combination of features and price quite like the DriveSmart 66. It succeeds the DriveSmart 65, our previous best overall. Its 6-inch screen had crisp colors, and I was able to swipe through the screens quickly and intuitively, with no noticeable lag in the commands. Typing was simple, and the glass screen felt solid and pleasant to use. Real-time traffic information, map and software updates via Wi-Fi, and with TripAdvisor and Alexa built into the unit, make this a far leap beyond GPS navigators of the 2010s. A highlight for me is that it comes with an excellent suction cup mount that swivels smoothly and grabs the windshield glass securely. As a bonus, all DriveSmart units come with a dual USB 12V adapter, so you can charge another device while the DriveSmart 66 is plugged in. Number 2. Garmin Drive 53 and Traffic. The Drive 53 comes with the same excellent mount as the DriveSmart 66, and although the screen is smaller, the user interface is just as quick and intuitive to swipe through, and the glass screen is just as pleasant to the touch. Lacking the built-in Alexa and smartphone pairing is a strong downgrade, but if all you want is a simple navigational tool without bells and whistles, the Drive 53 and Traffic offers the best bang for your buck. There's also a version of the Drive 53 without real-time traffic information for $20 less. It's not worth it. Take the L and splurge for the version with traffic. Why should you splurge? The combination of safety features, convenience, and travel assistance, such as school zone alerts, rest stop locations, and TripAdvisor ratings, position this above the competition. Additionally, the inclusion of detailed map updates and spoken turn-by-turn directions help to ensure you'll reach your destination with ease. Number 3. Garmin DriveSmart 76. Like the DriveSmart 66 and 86, this unit packs in the Alexa and TripAdvisor integrations, an exceedingly easy-to-use and lag-free 7-inch display with crisp color, and a solid suction cup mount. The DriveSmart 70 SIX's distinguishing characteristics are its size and price, smack dab in the middle of the DriveSmart range. The extra inch of display comes in handy when you're checking out the live traffic information and real-time fuel prices at nearby gas stations. Number 4. Trailtech Voyager Pro. Owners of Polaris ATVs and snowmobiles will appreciate that the Trailtech ties into the onboard infotainment systems already built into their off-road machines. Although it's a factory chopper and not an off-road motorcycle, I own a 23 Indian Chief with Polaris Ride Command, and it's okay. Usually, I just skip it because I most often ride solo. What intrigues me about the Voyager Pro is that if you're riding in a group of people also on Polaris machines, it will link them all together and show everyone's locations on the Trailtech's display. That's pretty sweet for group rides, which are always a bit like trying to herd bumblebees. That said, the 4-inch screen is awfully small, and while I like physical buttons for no-look operation, I wish that Trailtech would use more of them or none of them, rather than rely on a mishmash of buttons and touchscreen controls. Number 5. Magellan TR7. Magellan might be an older name in the GPS market, but it still carves out a niche with this combination backcountry/street GPS navigator. The TR7 will navigate you through the streets and keep right on chugging after you hit the dirt. Off-road, you can create waypoints to mark areas of interest, such as campsites, obstacles, and scenic views, and when you've gone as far as you want to go, simply pressing the backtrack button automatically plots a course back to your starting point. The TR7 comes preloaded with over 100,000 motorcycle and snowmobile trails for 4WD. And while the built-in camera's 2 megapixels are sorry for anything made post-2005, at least it has a camera. The unit is cheap enough that you could just not use it and buy a separate GoPro.